Sales and Grade 5 Diamond under of Mrs. Adelina V. Sales, representing the beautiful country of England. Candidate number 87. Good morning, everyone. My name is Shella A. Maujon from Grade 5 Diamond under Mrs. Sales. I am representing the country of Colombia. Candidate number 88. Bonjour à tous les vous. Je suis Cuesta de James and de Moises de Dan, representación de la France, tu llamante de section de la categoría C. Sous la surveillance de Mame Adelina Sales. Merci beaucoup. Candidate number 52. Saludan, bonjour. Soy Jasper Milo de la Cruz, de Saint-Diamant, sos la consulta PIP, de Mrs. Adelina de Vera Sales, representan Le Buen Esprit de Pays de France. Candidate number 53. Guten Morgen. Hello, my name is Fitzgerald D. Esteban, Grade 5 Diamond, under Mrs. Sales. I represent the beautiful country of Germany. That's all. Candidate number 55. Hi, Paul. Hi, Paul. Horta, Taylor, Taikili. Olen Johnny Marvel, Sipa Mopio, 5 Diamond. Olen Ilpeya, Estilian, Ma, Finland. Candidate number 55. Good morning to all of you. My name is Dominic Emilia, Grade 5 Diamond, under Mrs. Sales, proud to presenting the country of Germany. Candidate number 56. Morgan, Captain Philip, Inam, Aidan Jefferson, Lee Tropa, H. Vertical Furtik, Headman Bat, Horan, that is Alex. Candidate number 57. Good morning, everyone. My name is Rachel Luis M. Vasquez, and Grade 5 Diamond, under Mrs. Sales.
Mr. and Miss
I'm proud to represent the country of Italy.
Candidate number 58.